Good morning, children. Welcome to your first class of Social Studies for the year 2020-21 of Class 5. The topic we are going to study today is India, physical features and its divisions. Let's have a quick recap of what you have already studied in your previous class. When you look at the globe, you can see that India lies in the northern hemisphere and in the eastern part of it. India is located in the southern part of the continent of Asia and is the 7th largest country in terms of area and second largest in terms of population. Now, when you look at the map, the northern part of India looks like a crown and the southern part of it looks like a cone. India forms a strong geographical and political zone with these 9 neighboring countries sharing borders in the north with China, Nepal, Bhutan, Afghanistan and Pakistan in the west, Bangladesh and Myanmar in the east, Sri Lanka and Maldives in the south. India stretches for about 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. Now we are going to deal with two divisions of India, the political division and the second is the physical division. First, we are going to highlight upon the political divisions of India. In India, people residing in the different parts of the country belong to different ethnic groups and speak different languages. Due to the vastness of the country and for better running, India has been divided into 28 states and 9 union territories. India is the world's largest democracy as its citizens come together and elect their own government. There are 3 levels of government in India: the center, the state and the local bodies. The center administers the entire country, whereas the state government looks after or rather decides the matters of its individual states. The union territories are governed directly by the central government. New Delhi is the capital of India. The central government offices are located in New Delhi. Here you can see a list of states and the union territories, but let me tell you before that the largest state of India in terms of area is Rajasthan and the smallest is Goa. Now we are here with the states and the capitals. First is Andhra Pradesh, capital Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Tezpur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Goa, Panaji. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Haryana, Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh, Shimla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Karnataka, Bengaluru. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Manipur, Imphal. Meghalaya, Shillong. Mizoram, Aizawl. Nagaland, Kohima. Odisha, Bhubaneswar. Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur. Sikkim, Gangtok. Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Dehradun, West Bengal, Kolkata. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, capital Port Blair. Chandigarh, capital Chandigarh. Dadar and Nagar Haveli, capital Silvassa. Daman and Diu, capital Daman. Delhi, capital New Delhi. Jammu and Kashmir, summer capital Srinagar and winter capital Jammu. Ladakh, capital Leh. Lakshadweep, capital Kavaratti. And Puducherry, capital Puducherry. And now we'll switch on to the second part of the division of India, that is the physical divisions. India is marked by a diversity of physical features such as mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts, deserts and islands. The Great Himalayas are to the north of the country and the Indian Ocean towards the south. Let me tell you that India is the only country after which an ocean is named, and that is the Indian Ocean. The Arabian Sea is towards its west and the Bay of Bengal towards its east. India can be divided into following physical divisions. First, the northern mountains. Second, the North Indian Plain or the northern plains. Third, the peninsular plateau or the southern plateau. Fourth, the Great Indian Desert. And fifth, the coastal regions and islands. Now, the first physical division, the northern mountains. The northern mountains stretch like a great wall across the north and northeastern parts of our country. It includes the Himalayan and the Karakoram mountain ranges. The Himalayan range is the highest mountain range, standing as sentinels in the north. The word Him plus Alya means abode of snow. The Himalayan mountains are divided into three parallel ranges. The northernmost is the Greater Himalayas or Himadri. The world's highest peaks, always covered with snow, are located here. Middle Himalayas or Himachal lies to the south of Himadri, the Greater Himalayas, here. Many popular hill stations like Shimla, Kullu, Manali, etc. are located here. The outer Himalayas or the Shivaliks is the southernmost range. This range is noted for dense forests due to heavy rainfalls. Shivalik ranges are here. The second division, the northern plains. The northern plains lie to the south of the Himalayas. They are generally leveled and flat. These are formed by the alluvial deposits laid down by the rivers Indus, Yamuna, Ganga, Brahmaputra and their tributaries. These river plains provide fertile land for cultivation and are also called the food bowl of India. High concentration of population is found in these plains and farming is the main occupation of the people living here because of the rich fertile soil. The third physical division, the Great Indian Desert. It lies to the west of the northern plains. It is a dry, hot and sandy stretch of land with very little water and vegetation. About 70% of Rajasthan is covered by this desert. Therefore, Rajasthan is also called as the desert state of India. The fourth physical division is the southern plateaus. Now, before explaining this, what is a plateau? A plateau is a highland which is flat at the top. The southern plateaus are located to the south of the northern plains. They are triangular in shape. They are bounded on the east and west by low mountain ranges known as the Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats. The land is rocky and uneven. The river Narmada divides the southern plateau into two parts, the Central Highlands and the Deccan Plateau. Fifth physical division is the coastal plains and the islands. India has fairly a long coastline. It starts from Gujarat in the west to the West Bengal in the east. All along the coast are narrow plains which are known as the coastal plains. These are of two types, the western coastal plains and the eastern coastal plains. These are known as the western coastal plains and these are known as the eastern coastal plains, details of which we'll study later on. The islands. India has two groups of islands, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Tourism, farming and fishing are the main occupations of the people living here. India is indeed a country of diverse landforms and cultural diversity. It is known all over the world for its beautiful landforms and people living here. So we should be very proud of our country, India. Children, go through this video very carefully and if any query, kindly put it in the comment box. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe and save lives.